Welcome back. Today I have some super exciting news. Are you ready? A fire station is coming to CDT, which means fire engines will also come. This will be great for the game as it will add more roleplay features. One of them could be like the police roleplay feature with criminals except with fires. This is also the reason I am driving a red and yellow truck. It looks like a fire engine. This looks like a dealership as it has an interior, but a fire station could come with it. That's all. Thanks for watching.